If you're a beginner in crochet and you feel like the magic circle is more like a magic nightmare because your yarn's tangling, your hook's fighting you, and your fingers are in a chokehold, then babes, this tutorial is for you. Before diving in, you'll need a crochet hook and any yarn you've got lying around. So you are going to grab your working yarn and you are going to take two fingers, traditionally your middle finger and your index finger, and you are going to take your working yarn and you are going to wrap your working yarn in an X-like shape around these two fingers specifically. And once you have that X shape, you're going to go in with your thumb and hold it in place while you go and grab your crochet hook. Now that we've obtained our hook, we are going to take our hook and insert it underneath the first loop of the X. Then we're going to yarn over the second loop of the X and pull it right through like it owes us money. Do not be shy and snatch it firm. Now keep that loop on your hook. Do not let it run away. And you're going to yarn over again using that same second loop on the X. You're going to pull it through to make your final loop on the hook. And boom, you have a magic circle. To make the slip knot, wrap your yarn twice around your index finger. Then you're going to grab the first loop and wrap it over the second one. Then you're going to grab the tails of your yarn and pull it tight. And there you go, a perfect little slip knot. Now take your hook and pop that slip knot right on there and tighten it with the tail so it's snug, but you don't want it suffocating. Grab your working yarn, the one that's attached to the skein, and yarn over, chain one, yarn over again, and chain another one. Now that you have your two chains, you are going to work in the chain that is second away from your hook. You are going to insert your hook right into that chain and work your first single crochet into that chain. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two again, and just like that, you've got another version of the magic circle. And this one is easier and doesn't require finger gymnastics.